Hello friends, I am Sarvajit Vishwakarma. In this video, we will see how to use Canva app. So first we need to go to Play Store and simply search for Canva. There we will see the option Canva graphic design. With simply click on install, and after installation simply click on open. So our app will open, and there we will see three options: continue with Facebook, continue with Google, and continue with email. I am selecting continue with Google. So I am logged in this app using my Gmail account, and the app is opening, and this is the first thing that you will see. Here you will see create design, Instagram post, YouTube channel art, logos, Instagram stories. So we will have an overlook of all the things which we can make from Canva app. So just we will scroll down. We can make gaming logos, animated logos, animated social media, Facebook posts, Facebook covers, your stories, and presentations, social media flyers, food, YouTube thumbnails. Many YouTubers use Canva app for making thumbnails. Even Canva have their premium access, and the things which we are using now is for free. The everything which we see here is for free. You can use as per your need. We can create infographics, thank you card, food drinks logo, sale Instagram post, beauty logos, and many other things, etc. We can make using this Canva app. And few things like Facebook shop logos, animated Instagram post. Even we have coronavirus posters, badge logos, birthday invitations card, and art design, and many other things. So Canva is very handful for the people who are non-designer background. Simply can use this template and make their design as per their need. So for now we will create our YouTube channel art. So I am selecting this yellow one. Simply click on that and allow it to load, and after it loaded simply click on the text which we need to edit. So I'm editing the text and typing the blogs, and simply see, you can see your option bold, italic, and other things. So we can do that. So we can increase the text size. There was number in the right side, just above that, just to the right side of the text. And even we can change the color in the right side. And the text alignment can be done bold, it can be done bold, and you can see we can change the color of the background as well as per our need. Even we can add background image and our image from our phone gallery. So for images we can use these images. Simply we can use the search box, type any keyword. So I'm typing the search keyword blogs and click on search. You can see many options available. Simply we can select an image, it will be added in the background. And if you don't need these images, and we need to add our own gallery image, so we need to go to gallery tab, which is in the first one, and here you can see many premium images. So for that we need to buy the premium membership, and for our mobile gallery simply click on image, we will get it. So for now I'm keeping the background as it is, yellow one. So even we can change the color of the icon. Simply click on the icon and we can change the color whatever we need. I'll just give you the demo. I have selected, see the stick, band stick is turned into black color. Even the things like we can do add text, images, other things. And when we add text, we have multiple options. These all for free, so we can design it. We can select any of the design. I will select this wild blocks. Simply I can drag it down to make a design, and I will shift all the blocks part to the upside and make the adjustment. You can see there I can increase the size of wild cell up to 50% off. Even to the right side icon we can use to rotate it. I will change the color to red of the wild word. See, we can change the text font family as well. We have used red color for cell and Husser bold. Even we can increase the text size, and after anything we do, we need to click on the tick mark that we have seen. Because if it not be done, if we not select that, so our changes will not be done. We can use the gifs available here or stickers. So one thing I'd like to tell you, whenever we select a sticker, so it will be an GIF or and video format. So I'll just give you a demo. I will select thank you. So when we select the word thank you, it will be, after when we export this, it will be an GIF or video format image. So it will not be an image, actually it will be. So in the top right you can see the play button, that is, it will be an video format. And if we remove that, we can see in the top right there is a download icon, so we can download our image. Even we can use illustrations available in that app for free. We will be using this burger, and we can change the color of the icon. See, it is now red. Simply we will drag that. See, if you drag this like so, other page is added, means two images, one to one after other, and lots of template. We have used the yellow one, and there are many other things. For now we have selected yellow one, and all these options we have. For adding logo, we need to simply have our logo, images, text, all these can be added. Videos, stickers can be added on this. I will make it to the right wild cell, and also the burger to the right side or centered aligned. For downloading the image, simply click on the top right second option. Here you can see download icon, so it will download our image and saved it in your gallery. So our channel art looks like this, which is not actual thumb channel art, which is. Now we will see some other options available in the Canva app. So we will go to the home section, and there we will see logos, Instagram stories. So we will make our one dummy logo. I will selecting this total workout. Simply click on, for changing the text, simply click on the text, type the text whatever you need. I am typing lorem ipsum, and after that it will be aligned properly. On top right you can select the tick, see the check mark, so always click on that after editing, and we can see the colors can be changed and the size can be increased. And for alignment you can see that pink in the center, and this is our logo. Even we can resize it, but that is for premium option. Simply click on top right second option and our logo will be downloaded. Hope this video is informative. If you found this informative, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.